5 Free Website Hosting Services, 2023. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 free website hosting services available in 2023. If you are a beginner or have a limited budget, these free hosting options can be an excellent starting point for your website. We will explore the key features, advantages, and any limitations of each hosting service. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of which free hosting service suits your needs best. X10 Hosting, best overall free website hosting. Standout features, website builder with more than 150 free templates. Who should use it? Startups and individuals who want a free website or online store with ready-made templates. X10 Hosting is the free version of X10 Premium and offers one of the few free web hosting services that give you ad-free websites with unlimited storage and bandwidth. X10's free plan includes a user-friendly website builder with more than 150 free templates, including e-commerce store designs. X10 Hosting also offers easy one-click installs for more than 300 web scripts, including popular website platforms, such as WordPress, Joomla, Mib, and add-on galleries, blogs, forums, gaming tools, and more. X10's free web hosting supports a custom domain but doesn't give you a free domain. You can use the free X10 subdomain or connect a domain that you own. You can add a free email address using your connected domain or free subdomain. AwardSpace, best for free WordPress hosting. Standout features, built-in virus, spam, and firewall protection. Who should use it? AwardSpace is a good choice for individuals and small businesses looking for free WordPress hosting with responsive customer support. AwardSpace is another free web hosting service that lets you build ad-free websites using its user-friendly Zachy website builder or use its one-click Zachy installer to load WordPress, Joomla, and Graph platforms. AwardSpace is a top pick for free and low-cost WordPress hosting in particular. It hosts millions of WordPress websites worldwide on both free and paid plans and provides extensive WordPress tutorials covering beginner through advanced topics. You get a free email account on the free plan and can connect your own domain name and create 3 subdomains under that for blogging, forums, and so on. Domain names aren't free with the free hosting plan, but you do get a free domain for life with certain paid plans. AwardSpace is another free web hosting service that lets you build ad-free websites using its user-friendly Zachy website builder or use its one-click Zachy installer to load WordPress, Joomla, and Graph platforms. AwardSpace is a top pick for free and low-cost WordPress hosting in particular. It hosts millions of WordPress websites worldwide on both free and paid plans and provides extensive WordPress tutorials covering beginner through advanced topics. You get a free email account on the free plan and can connect your own domain name and create 3 subdomains under that for blogging, forums, and so on. Domain names aren't free with the free hosting plan, but you do get a free domain for life with certain paid plans. BFist, best for website developers. Standout features, developer-level free web hosting toolkit. Who should use it? Experienced website developers who want free hosting with total control over their tech stack. Viethist offers a robust free web hosting service for the tech-oriented user. If you are a website developer or designer looking for free web hosting for your own projects or client websites, Viethist tops your list of limited options. It also supports reseller accounts under the free plan if you want to offer client-managed hosting under your own suite of services. However, Viethist doesn't provide one-click platform installation like the other providers in our free web hosting roundup. If you're comfortable with server-level file management and file transfer protocol (FTP) interfaces, Viethist is one to consider. Beginners will have an easier time with other free web hosting services featured here. Web host, best for reliable uptime. Standout features: Cloudflare protected name servers, 99.9% uptime guarantee. Who should use it? Those looking for simple web hosting with free WordPress installation, decent speeds, and firewall tools. A much larger web hosting company known as Hostinger offers a basic, free hosting plan through WebHost. With over 10 years of recognition as one of the best free website hosting platforms, WebHost's free plan is excellent for those looking for simple but useful features. Including a control panel, access to WordPress for website building, and advanced web hosting features, such as Cloudflare protected name servers, PHP, MySQL, and FTP. WebHost offers up to 3 GB of bandwidth delivered from its 24 GB SSD servers. The company takes web security seriously, running Immunify 360 to regularly monitor the sites it hosts for malware and other threats. Firebase, best for Google Cloud users. Standout features: custom domain and SSL, multiple sites per project, and 10 GB of storage. Who should use it? Great for those who want integration with Google Cloud's other functions and are able to parse through Google's confusing pricing structures. Google Cloud offers web hosting through Firebase, an app development platform for building apps, games, and websites. Firebase offers free web hosting through its Spark plan, which includes up to 10 GB of storage and excellent bandwidth, 360 MB per day. However, to integrate with Google Cloud's products and features, users will have to upgrade to the Blaze plan. Blaze is free, but the use of integrated Google Cloud features includes a no-cost quota which, once surpassed, will be pay-as-you-go. The Blaze plan also offers pay-as-you-go storage and bandwidth upgrades once users surpass the Spark plan's initial offerings. Keep in mind that Google Cloud offers a 90-day free trial and $300 in credits for feature use but is not free forever.